Hello guys, welcome to NFI much awaited courses Factory Automation using PLC. Factory automation means in which you have a factory, you have an automation sandbox. You have a factory in which you can build your own industrial system using the customized library. Right. By having feedback from our last few courses, most of the students needs a platform where they can build their own systems. So we are introducing Factory IO, and the course is Factory Automation using PLC, by which we are using a software Factory IO launched by Real Games, and you can build your own industrial system. This will be very easy and very intuitive because we're going to have a 3D fully functional automation sandbox with real world dynamics control systems. So let's see what we have in this course. We'll start with the objective. Now the objective of this course is create your own industrial systems. With Factory IO, anyone can build their own systems using the components provided. You may have light load conveyors, you may have heavy load conveyors, you will have sensors, actuators. You can place your sensors anywhere. You can see your boxes going. You have cranes, you have robotic arms. So it's available in a library, and you can link that and you can build your own systems. So not only building, you can also simulate those systems using a built-in software's ConnectIO. So ConnectIO is another software tool by Real Games by which you can link your system of Factory IO and you can simulate that using a PLC programming language, which is FBD, Functional Block Diagram. This is the way how you can link and control your system. Not only that, if you have your own PLCs or microcontrollers, you need some DAC ports to connect your PLC with your industrial systems. But in another case, there are specific PLC for which you may not need DAC ports. You can link directly. So I'll be showing you that what are those PLC which you can do that in the further slides. So first is create your system. You can simulate your system, and you can also share your system. You can share what you have been created during the entire process. This will bring a community aspect as people can exchange systems, exercises, and enlarge their learning tools. So if you have a friend, you want to show your system, you can share that. You can save your file, you can email those files, and he can open that. He can open the same file in their own system having the software. So this is the flexibility we have added in the softwares. Next is who's the target audience? Who should join this course? If you are an engineer, mechatronics, mechanical, or automation engineers, and if you want to build some innovative industrial automation solutions for your customers, for your own industry, you can use this course. Suppose you need to create a packaging machine. You want to have a conveyor system on which you are packing something. So you can build that system in Factory IO initially. You can simulate that, and then you can give a solution to your company, to your customers. So this will give you a different edge of providing automation solutions. Second, if you are an industrialist, now this is for people who have their own industry and who want to upgrade their industry with industrial automation and control system like using sensors, PLCs, and actuator. Because you can actually build your system in a very cost-effective way in the software, and then you can simulate that and you can see the results, and then you can optimize that. You can order your PLCs and conveyors, and you can make that. So this is for those people. And for students who are looking for a career in industrial automation. Now, imagine yourself as a student. In colleges, we all know that we don't have much hardware available to practice the logic. So if you have a software in which you can build your hardware, you can using some simple mechanics, you can build conveyor systems, and then you can control that. This will be a different form of learning. This is like bringing industries in the classroom, bringing industries in your laptop, in your computers. So this is highly beneficial for the students who are looking for a career in industrial automation. And we have a student license by which you can extend the validity of the software. This will be explained later on. Now, what is covered in this course? In this course, you will find introduction to software and its usage, how to use the software, what are the different elements here. We'll be understanding that. So Factory IO comes with 30 days trial version. You can download from the website. The information is given in the course. And to purchase student license, you have to write to us at nfiautomation@gmail.com. So this is included. Then you will have lessons on various software elements and its interfacing with ConnectIO. ConnectIO, I told you, it's a software tool. So we'll understand what are the various elements. Now, just for the reference, I will show you a demo of elements. So we have heavy load conveyors. These are heavy load conveyors available, 2 meters, 4 meters, 6 meters. Then we have light load conveyors, 4 meter, 6 meter. Then we have belt conveyor gate, you can open and close it up. You have chute conveyor, then you have conveyor scale, pivot arm sorter, pop-up wheel sorter, pushers, and stop blades. So these are the various elements. Then again you have sensors, you have capacitive, diffuse, inductive, you have light array emitter, receiver, retroreflective sensor and its receiver. Then you have operators, you have buttons, you have indicators, you have potentiometers. Then we have some warning devices, some light indicators and sirens, and then you have some walkways to give some intuitive look to your environment. So these are the elements already available in the factory IO, which you can use that in your systems. So all the lessons are covered on individual element, how to use that and how we can control that in connectIO. Then lessons on building industrial control with coding. Now we have lessons on actual typical industrial control systems, and that has been explained using connectIO, how to make its logic and PLC. So I'll show you one more example in the factory IO how this has been done. So this is one of the solution called buffer, right? This is a buffer. Now we have its solution here, buffer station. This is the solution in connectIO. Now I can show you how this is going to affect the factory IO environment. So this is a solution. I'm going to play it. You will see that a box is coming, and we have a stop blade here, and then we have a retroreflective sensor. So what it's gonna do is, boxes are coming linearly from here, one after the other, and this conveyor is running at higher speed. It will only allow the box to pass by when it finally delivered to chute conveyor. So that's one of the buffer station you may see in the most of the industry for typical applications. And you know, we have various cameras here. You can see where the box is coming, where the box is going. You can see the camera like this, and you can also see from different fly camera, from different angles, how the process is happening. You can zoom, and you can also do slow motion. Like if I click here this icon, you will see how actually the sensor signal is going to affect and how the stop blade will go down, and you can see the action here. So the moment box leaves here, this goes down and the box is coming forward. This conveyor is running faster, so this will move, and when you have a gap here, this will actuate the stop blade like this. So we have various features in the software by which you can simulate, you can understand your environment in a real-time virtual system. It's give you more like bringing industry in the classroom again. You can see actually what is happening in a great details. Alright, so you may find videos on how these systems are controlled, how to make its logic in this course. Right, now how we can use factory IO. The first way is using connectIO. As I have already shown, this is freeware software. You can use that software to control factory IO. You don't need to buy any hardware. If you purchase this course, you will be given a software 30 days trial version of factory IO. You will be given a connectIO software which is free of cost. And if you want to buy if you want to extend your license, you can buy the license from us by writing us to nfiautomation@gmail.com. You can write a request. Then you can use some specific PLCs like Siemens TCP IP. This is a communication module. Then Logo PLC S7300. If you have these PLCs with yourself, or even the simulator, you don't need any other hardware. You can directly link your PLCs with your factory IO. You don't need connectIO. You can make your logic and later logics platform. If you don't have these PLC, or if you have some other controller, you can link that as well using a USB DAC card. Now this DAC card is of Advantech company. You can use USB 4750 or 4704. Typically we are using 4750 in our lessons, by which we are linking the software with Delta PLC. So this you can use that with the factory IO. Then about instructor, okay, this course is designed and this has been published by myself, Rajveer Singh. I'm a mechatronic engineer. I'm from Chandigarh, India, and I'm working as associate director and educator in NFI, which is an industrial automation training academy. We provide hands-on and online training on industrial control systems, PLC, HMI, drives, hydraulics, and pneumatics. If you want to connect me, you can contact me at Facebook at rvsingh.cht, and you can write me an email at rajveersingh.43@gmail.com. You can add me on Google Plus, and you can watch my more videos at my YouTube channel. Here it is mentioned. So that was all about what is going to happen in this course and what you are going to get in this course. If you have any doubt, you can write to me before purchasing this course. You can inbox me any message. All right, so this was the introduction videos. Let's see what we have in the further videos. Thank you.